Scientific. Where did they come from and what do they do? Let's get into it. So TCI Scientific freeze dryers are designed on the Stay Fresh platform because of their dependability and proper build qualities. We incorporated vapor pressure control, and for botanical industries or hash producers, these are the premium machines for that application. These machines allow you to preserve more terpenes and flavonoids than a standard freeze dryer. And we also offer the longest warranty in the industry. You get a 2-year top to bottom warranty, including the pump. And we take care of everything for our customers, including help with designing recipes for their process. We're not just a freeze dryer company. We are the premium machine for any botanical or hash production. So if you are a solventless producer or work in the cannabis industry, check us out.